When you take trades, you still document them, but you're not necessarily writing down what you learnt from the losses, and doing that will make you sort of appreciate the learning experience. And you know, when you lose, so when you lose that monetary amount, you're essentially paying for a lesson, you're paying for time in the market, and you need to document what you learnt from doing that, because it almost makes you appreciate your journey and how far you've come. So this form here, you've got sort of your breakdowns, and then so let's just say this was one trade, you would simply just change this title here, so rename it to the date of the trade, and then when you're ready, make a copy, create a copy, and then you're there. So then maybe, you know, what's today's date? 20, and then there we go. And then you've got the next trade and the next trade and the next trade.